Assalamualaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the half-life. What is the half-life? The half-life of a radioactive sample is the half-life of a radioactive sample is the time interval during which half of a given number of radioactive nuclei decay and half remain unchanged or undecay. The stability of the isotopes is determined by the rate of decay. Less stable, a faster decay. Samples of the same isotopes always have the same half life regardless of how much of the sample is physically present. Symbol of half life is T half. Now we discuss the topic that is the stable isotope or unstable isotope. First we discuss the stable isotopes. What are the stable isotopes? Stable isotopes are atoms having stable nuclei. Stable isotopes do not show radioactivity. Stable isotopes have a balance between the number of protons and neutrons in a nucleus. Now we discuss the unstable isotopes. Unstable isotopes are atoms having unstable nuclei. It shows radioactivity. Unstable isotopes emitting alpha, beta, and gamma rays until stability is reached. All of the element with an atomic number greater than 82 have only unstable isotopes.